चिट्टा 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 चिट्टा
Namaste everyone, welcome back to Beyond Books with Yatin. I am Yatin Surya. Today I'll take you on a beautiful journey into the origins of Carnatic music. A music that is divine, ancient and filled with emotions. Ready to explore? Let's begin! Javadana Gananatha Gauri Tanaya Mampahi Gajavadana Gananatha Gauri Tanaya Mampahi Vidyadayaka Buddhi Pradayaka Siddhi Vinayaka He Shubhadayaka Vidyadayaka Buddhi Pradayaka Siddhi Vinayaka He Shubhadayaka Gajavadana Gananatha Gauri Tanaya Mampahi Gajavadana Gananatha Gauri Tanaya Mampahi Paramparaya Ganaraya Namo Namo Ganaraya Paramparaya Ganaraya Namo Namo Ganaraya Gajavadana Gananatha Gauri Tanaya Mampahi Gajavadana Gananatha Gauri Tanaya Mampahi. Singing Carnatic music makes me feel peaceful, happy and making me connected to something bigger than myself. Thank you for joining me on this musical journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment also. I'll be bringing more stories about music, culture and fun. Thank you very much.